Bilawal Bhutto turns around and says, रात के अंधेरे में कौन अटैक करता है? मतलब trying to say you have broken the rules of engagement, that रात को तुम चोरी छिपे आके हमारे टारगेट्स पे मार देते हो. I'm not saying at any point of time कि ये वाली सुग्रीव वाला पैरेलल ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, बट अधर्म इसमें है कि नहीं है?
एक तो from what base is Bilawal Bhutto talking about dharma adharma? It's the same वाली type, no? यार आपने केवल अधर्म ही किया है पूरा टाइम. You sent terrorists to kill those innocent people in Pahalgam asking their religion, right? You have a policy where you want to destroy us with 1,000 cuts. And you are talking about rules. Baba, rules कब होता है? When both sides agree on something and both sides live by it. If one side is not living by rules, the other side has no responsibility to follow that rule because that rule is invalid just by the other person violating it. So if you have never lived by rules, what rule are you talking about? We are going to do what is in our interest to protect our people because that is the dharma of our government. And for that, we will do whatever we need to do. Pakistan has no locus standi to talk about it.
Once you've got into war, then your question of only victory at that, because you have, in your mind, you have decided, or as a country, you've decided that this is it's a dharmic battle also.
Absolutely.
In one way, right? It's not, when I say dharmic, I don't mean Hindu-Muslim dharmic, but the dharma of a country and of your national security strategy is to win at that stage. So this is justified and valid.
Absolutely. Absolutely. As I said, even in wars, there are rules which people have laid down. Now, it is the prerogative of both sides to follow those rules, right? But here, these guys have been doing these small wars on us anyways. It was our stupidity that we did not already consider the act of terror as war while knowing that this is Pakistan's strategy, right? We've always known it. Finally, we have decided and we have announced that any act of terror is a war against the state, which it is.
Yeah.
So if it's a war, we will do what we need to do.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.